Hi there, thanks for stopping by. Today, Ryan and I will go through how to change or adjust the height for the Fisher Price Jumperoo. In the baby Jumperoo, the toes of your baby should touch the floor. If the entire foot is on the floor or the foot is not touching the floor, then you need to adjust the height of this baby Jumperoo. Adjusting the height is not super straightforward, and hopefully this will help you out. By the way, we also did 2 other videos on this Fisher Price baby Jumperoo. First, on how to assemble and clean the seat cover. The second is to fold and disassemble this baby Jumperoo. If you're interested, I put a link here and also in the description below. But for now, let's focus on adjusting the height of this baby Jumperoo. Let's jump into it. Coming up. The height adjustment for Fisher Price Jumperoo is confusing, and it took me some time to figure out. You adjust the height at these 3 spots on the bottom side of the seat. Lift the seat frame, or like me, turn the Jumperoo upside down. Locate this pin. Flip the pin to the side. Pull out the strap. Put the strap in the desired position and flip back the pin. There are 3 height positions. 1 is the lowest and 3 is the highest seat position. Now repeat this for the other sides as well. Make sure all the 3 straps are at the same height position. By the way, if you got value out of this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks a lot for the support, and you have a good one.